Hello everyone, this is me Oleg, and today I wanna speak about update in bulk rename plugin. In this update, we got an ability to move files from the root directory directly to some nested directory. Let me show you an example. So those files in my root, and I want to move them, let's say, bulk rename QWERTY directory. So do you see, like, this is the old path, this is a new path, then I'm clicking rename and all the files successfully move it to this particular directory. Let me show you a few more examples how it looks like. In case if you will put some directory that is not created correct, you will get this notification. This is a known limitation. We're not creating directories for you. We're just moving files right now. Basically that's it. If you keep watching, do not pay attention to my background. I'm from Ukraine and I'm consistently moving across the country. See you. Bye.